Hey there, I'm Danielle Flynn.
I am Joel Barbecue Morgan.
And we are in Lapeer for City of the Week. This is our friend Zach. We are hanging out at Wood Chips Barbecue right now. How you doing, Zach?
Great. How about you guys?
We're hungry.
Fabulous. We're getting ramped up for
Look at
Halloween.
this, man. Woo!
So Zach is going to give us a lesson in how to properly cut brisket. So what's the first rule of order there, Zach?
You're going to want to cut it against the grain. Make sure you get that nice, pretty. You're going to see the rings in it from the smoke, the nice bark coming from the pink. Bark.
Do it.
Woo! Poor Zach. I'm like, you get in there and start cutting some brisket.
Dude, now how big of the slices do you make it? How thick are they?
You want them as thin as you can possibly get without it falling apart.
Yeah.
So about an inch thick here. That's about your.
And how long was that smoked for, Zach?
That was smoked for 14 hours in our old hickory smoker with apple and pecan wood.
You can smell that.
They're all about the apple and pecan wood. All their meats are smoked for 14 hours here at Wood Chips Barbecue. They've been in business for about 5 years now here in Lapeer, but man, the history of this building
right here.
It's a 120-year-old building, and apparently back in the days, Lapeer was a real frontier town. Like, there were gunfights, and wasn't there a big shootout at the courthouse?
There was a big shootout at the courthouse, and not only that, but this building has got some crazy history. It's 120 years old. In the bottom, they used to have cockfighting, and back then they did it with chickens.
Thank you.
And then up in the top, they had the brothel, and then they had the speakeasy. And sometimes when the speakeasy would get raided, they had secret rooms and compartments and tunnels and stuff so that you could hide until the heat died down.
Right.
And then come back out and party.
Lapeer was not messing around, and neither is Wood Chips Barbecue. I love me some White Claw. Oh my gosh! But what they're doing here at Wood Chucks, they have got Wood Claw at Wood Chips. So the Wood Claw, they have all these different varieties. I was like, yeah, I'd like to try one of those. Apparently, they thought I wanted to try 5, but it's strawberry lemonade. They have orange. They also have a raspberry lime. Joel just sampled the pineapple coconut.
Whoa!
And they also have a Lapeer lemonade, which is pretty amazing. And Joel, you got to try these too. These are barbecue egg rolls
With Asian dipping sauce.
Yes, and there's pulled pork and coleslaw in there just
Cheers
to prepare
you,
your
man.
palate. All right,
Here we go. It's crunchy. It's delectable. You can taste notes of pineapple and Asian infusion, man.
Oh my God! Wow, there you go, food critic
great.
Joel Morgan. And then we've also got Brussels sprouts, which they use a balsamic honey reduction on these, and they are absolutely fabulous. And then this is Wood Chip's signature sandwich, Porky's Revenge. Steven, the cameraman's too young to know about that movie.
Porky's.
Yeah, are you shaking because you know about Porky?
No,
of
you
course
don't
you
know
don't.
about
No,
Porky's.
you don't know about Porky. You weren't even around on the. So Porky's Revenge. And I'm very excited about it because it's pulled pork and then the coleslaw. I think that's such a great combination. If you haven't tried it, I know it may sound weird, but I am telling you, if you like coleslaw and you like pulled pork, there is no reason not to put these two together, all right?
Totally,
So, there you have it. Zach, any other tips?
One more time, Zach. Tips.
One more time?
Yeah, tips. He's got knife tips. He's got beef tips, man. Look at that
Zach's got.
That tip, baby.
And didn't you say that some of this, that those tips then, what is it, it gets re-smoked or something?
They cut off the tips, they cut off the tips of the brisket, smother it in barbecue sauce, and re-smoke it again, and then make the burgers.
Wow. Man. You know that's going to burn into your hand.
I don't care how they make them as long as they make them. And they make them really good at Wood Chips Barbecue right here in here.
Hey, thanks for having us out. City of the Week Live with Joel and Donnie.
All right,
And Steven.
You.
And special guest, Zach. Say bye, Zach.
Bye.
He's a brisketeer. Dude, can I play with your knife?
No, you can't. Put the knife down, Joel.